Welcome to Theme Park Motivation. My name is Rich, this is my family, and we love theme parks. So this is Wild Play, located in Canada at Niagara Falls. And basically, I'm just going to go over a couple of things before we get into the video here. But basically what you need to know is parking is located about a half a mile away, runs about $30, anywhere from $10 to $30, depending on how far you really want to walk. But prices range between $60 and $100 to do this experience. They also offer some cool ropes courses and things like that for smaller children and adults. And the prices vary based on time of day, and basically they offer a quick pass or cut everyone in line pass, and I would highly recommend that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit that like and subscribe button.
Like that?
It's gotta look that way, so you're gonna have to go.
Yeah, sorry,
Like that? Because then when you have your arm.
Ah, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. I'm not very good with directions.
Follow away with the camera.
Ooh, what camera?
It's up there.
Oh, okay. Oh, right there. Oh, bye.
It's okay, you got your own.
Okay. I'm scared. Okay, it's okay.
There are 4. Open.
Okay.